A lot of times you get this thought in your mind, what if someone else is using my Instagram account? Or maybe you feel your account security is compromised. Or if you have shared your password with someone and want to know whether that person uses your account or not, and how you can fix this easily without stress. Well, in today's video, we are going to find this step by step. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner and head over to Account Center. And under Password and Security, you will find where you are logged in. Just click on that. Here, Instagram shows you all the devices that have access to your account, including location, device type, and login time. If you spot any device or location you don't recognize, it means someone else might be using your account, and you can simply remove the device. Second, check your email inbox for security notifications from Instagram. They usually send you alerts whenever someone logs in from a new device or tries to change your password. If you see an email that wasn't triggered by you, that's a red flag and you should change your Instagram password immediately. Instagram also lets you log out remotely from unknown devices. If you find any suspicious activity, just hit log out on that device from the same where you are logged in menu. Then immediately change your password. In case if you aren't sure how to change your Instagram password, then you can simply change it from the link provided in the video's description. To make sure no one sneaks in again, set up two-factor authentication. This way, even if someone gets your password, they will need a special code sent to your phone or authenticated app to log in. It's one of the best protections you can have. You can simply enable it by going to your account center, then under password and security, you will find two-factor authentication. Set up with either SMS or WhatsApp or link it with authentication app like Google Authenticator. One more important step, under passwords and security, go to security checkup. Here, make sure your registered email address and mobile numbers are correct and haven't been changed. These are your recovery options, and if someone has replaced them, it means they can lock you out of your own account. So always double check and update them if needed. And that's it. By checking login activity, monitoring your emails, and enabling two-factor authentication, you can be sure that your Instagram account is only yours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, I'm Divyan Sharan, and I will catch you in the next one.